Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani in restaurant style. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Healthy Hiccups. Today, we have something truly special for you. We'll be preparing the most popular dish, Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. So let's get started. Hyderabadi Biryani is a delicious and aromatic dish that originated from the royal kitchens of the Nizams of Hyderabad. It is made with basmati rice, meat or vegetables, spices, yogurt, and herbs. It is cooked in a sealed pot on low heat, dum, to infuse the flavors of the ingredients. There are many variations of Hyderabadi biryani, but the most popular one is the chicken dum biryani. Here is a step-by-step process to make an authentic and restaurant-style Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani at home. Ingredients. For the biryani masala, you can also use ready-made biryani masala. 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 black peppercorns, half a teaspoon stone flour, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 3/4 of a tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 strand of mace, half a teaspoon caraway seeds, 4 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick. For marinating the chicken, biryani masala powder from above, 3/4 of a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3/4 of a tablespoon red chili powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 medium onions fried to golden brown, set aside half for garnishing, 750 grams chicken, preferably with bones, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons yogurt, 3 slit green chilies, a handful of mint leaves finely chopped, a handful of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3/4 of a teaspoon rose water, 3/4 of a teaspoon kura water. For cooking the rice, salt as needed, 2 cups of aged basmati rice, 1 teaspoon oil, half a teaspoon caraway seeds, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks. Water as needed. For layering, a pinch of saffron soaked in hot milk, few fried onions, from above, few mint and coriander leaves. Water to be taken out after boiling rice, around ½ cup. Ghee or oil, from frying onions, as needed. Directions. To make the biryani masala, grind all the ingredients to a fine powder and set aside. You can also use ready-made biryani masala if you have it. To marinate the chicken, take a large bowl and add all the ingredients for marination along with the biryani masala powder. Mix well and check the salt and spice level by tasting it. Then add the chicken pieces and coat them well with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. To cook the rice, wash and soak the basmati rice for ½ an hour. Then drain and set aside. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add salt, oil, caraway seeds, cardamoms, bay leaf, cloves, and cinnamon. Add the soaked rice and cook until it is about 3/4 done. The grains should be slightly firm but not raw. Drain the rice and reserve ½ a cup of water for later use. To layer the biryani, take a heavy-bottomed pot or a biryani handy and grease it with some ghee or oil. Spread half of the marinated chicken along with some of its gravy at the bottom of the pot. Sprinkle some fried onions, mint leaves, and coriander leaves over it. Then spread half of the cooked rice over it evenly. Drizzle some saffron milk, ghee or oil, and reserved water over it. Repeat with another layer of chicken, fried onions, herbs, rice, saffron milk, ghee or oil, and water. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or seal it with aluminum foil or dough. Place it on a low flame and cook for about *30 to *40 minutes or until the chicken is tender and the rice is fluffy. You can also place a heavy skillet or tawa under the pot to prevent burning. To serve, gently fluff up the rice with a fork and mix it with the chicken pieces. Garnish with more fried onions, mint leaves, and coriander leaves if desired. Enjoy your Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani with raita, salan, or any other accompaniment of your choice. I hope this helps you. Please let me know if you have any feedback or questions. Happy cooking!
Audio Jungle.